Hey guys, so welcome to our latest video about our time here on the Silversea Silver Spirit, and today it is all about
room service. So we get room service every single morning because, you know, it's just so nice to get served in your stateroom. And I love my bed, especially on a Silversea, because the bedding is so nice and so luxurious, so that's great. However, we do sometimes have room service in the afternoon. So we've just come back off a tour. We're in Saudi Arabia at the moment, and we just want a little snack just to put us on until dinner time. So we've
I'm not quite sure it's snack about what we've got.
We've ordered salad, we've ordered some fries, and one thing we do on quite a regular basis whenever we're on Silversea is ordering caviar. And normally that comes with a bottle of champagne, but because we're in Saudi Arabia today, that's not possible. I think we've still got some more left in the fridge though.
We've got some anyway.
Don't tell anybody. Shh. Anyway, so we're just waiting now for it
Just
to
waiting
arrive.
for it to arrive. So why are you? You're on the line, you're working too hard.
Yeah. That's fine.
Somebody else wants you. How's your day been?
Excellent, sir.
Yeah?
Can I place these flowers
Place it somewhere.
here?
You've been recorded now, by the way. I'm recording you.
So whenever you have room service on Silversea, you've got to have a bit of champagne. So we've got some left over from yesterday. Got the bottle topper there, so that keeps it nice and fizzy.
Amazing.
We had heard rumours that they were confiscating alcohol from the staterooms, but that doesn't seem to have happened. So I'm assuming, even though you can't have an alcoholic drink on the ship at the moment, or certainly get one from the bar, you can still use your minibar. So that's what we're doing.
So, what's show 'em what we've got then? So
again, this is we say this is just to put us on till dinner. So I've got a salmon salad with strawberries. Ivan's got a chicken Caesar salad. And now it's caviar time. Ta-da! So whenever we have caviar, it always reminds us of one of our favourite episodes of Frasier, where, you know, Frasier and Niles are quite pompous and love the finer things in life, including caviar. Actually managed to get some caviar on the black market. Now we've not got it on the black market, we've got it on Silversea. And sometimes it comes with ice, but lately it's not been coming with ice. I'm not sure why. But you've got your caviar, you've got your bellinis, you've got your little condiments there. There's something really indulgent about coming on a cruise and having caviar, which is nice, with your champagne. So I like to put a little bit of chive on there, and some red onion, as well as a little bit of cheese. And the caviar on top. I'm not sure if this is a little bit like the old kind of scones debate as to whether you put the jam on first or the cream on first, but either way, it's nice. After it's gone down me. I always find bellinis to be a bit too small, but yeah.
And that is a caviar lesson from Ryan.
I don't have it very often, so I'm not really an aficionado when it comes to caviar, but it's a really nice treat.
So there you have it. That is our vlog of room service here on the Silversea Silver Spirit. So hopefully you find that useful. Yeah.
It was really nice. Just enough food to keep us going until dinner time. It's about 5:15, so we've got about 3 hours until we need to have dinner. So it'll help.
It will add, you know, I'm not overfaced, so it's just...
We've not eaten much up until this point today,
No,
so...
no, we haven't, not at all.
Yeah.
So that's it. So hopefully you enjoyed that. And
If you have, subscribe to us. Leave us some comments. How do you eat your caviar? It's like the old cream egg advert. How do you eat yours?
Yep. So yeah, like the notifications, so you get notified when we drop new content, and give us a like and give us a follow, because it motivates us to do more of these videos. All right. So your help, your support in that regard is motivational, encouraging, and yeah, we look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments, don't we?
Yeah. And we'll see you in the next video here on the Silver Spirit. Maybe some caviar. Lovely.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you later.